Planning a move in Charlotte, North Carolina? Packing can quickly become the most stressful and time-consuming part of relocation. Broken items, lost time, and unnecessary stress. It's what most people want to avoid. At Better Life Moving, we provide professional packing services in Charlotte, North Carolina for homes, apartments, and businesses. Our experienced local packers know how to protect your belongings and make your move safe, fast, and organized from start to finish. Our trained team handles everything: household items and furniture, fragile and high-value belongings, full home or room-by-room packing and unpacking services in Charlotte. We use high-quality packing materials and proven techniques to ensure everything arrives safely at your new location. When you choose our professional packers in Charlotte, you get skilled, licensed, and insured movers, flexible scheduling, including same-day and next-day service, careful handling of apartments, condos, and homes, complete moving and packing services in Charlotte, North Carolina. We manage logistics, building access, and timing, so you don't have to. Looking for reliable packers near me in Charlotte? Telephone receiver contact Better Life Moving today for a free quote and let our local packing professionals handle the hard work so you can enjoy a smooth, stress-free move.